Hello, this is Nova Topflex. Did you know that in Python, in the Tkinter module, Tkinter, however you want to say it, that you can actually do on one window, on one Tkinter session, one window that is 1.tk, you can actually do grid and pack on the same window. In this example, the grid comes first, and I actually packed the buttons within a frame which has been added to the notebook. So on the upper left, the button is row 0, column 0. And then the rows, we have the upper and lower rows, and we have the left and right columns. So this is a 2x2 grid. Unfortunately, it doesn't take up the whole space. You could probably fix this by using tkinter.ttk.frame, and I did use that frame. I did use the frame object on the upper right with the notebook. So all the frames are, I believe, 540 by 960 is the goal. And I think the notebook can be made 540 by 960, which, sorry about that, that's the wrong way. It's the other way around. It's 960 by 540. It's still a quarter of 1920 by 1080, but it's in landscape. And if it were in portrait, it would fit even less. It would be even worse fitting. But I did change the widths as appropriate, and the heights, whatever was possible. If you like this type of content and would like to learn more, then please like, share, comment, subscribe, and try to hack the algorithm. And thanks for watching. Signing off.